and right now we are with Chen. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to CuteBee booth.
Thank you for having us here. Can you tell us something about your company?
Oh, okay. CuteBee is a brand focused on the DIY miniature case about 9 years. And so we started our business from the overseas. So you saw most of our items match North America and the European market well. Yeah.
What are the certificates that you have for the overseas market?
For overseas, about 9 years.
Okay,
yeah.
And it's time to show the products. So let's show the best products that you have first of all.
Okay. The first of the best seller is the one. It's a global wholesale. You can see the online shop and TikTok and also some Europe offline shops. This is the most popular. The leader of the DIY miniature cakes. This one. This product named our bookstore. It's sell well in the bookshop, toy shop, the gift shop, and so supermarket.
Okay.
Yeah, this is launched to the market last year.
Oh, so it's actually also pretty new.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's take a look at the new product.
A moment, please.
Oh, sorry.
I want to show you another bestseller, number 2. This is a new product launched in the market this year's April, but the amount of over 300,000 pieces just now.
Incredible.
Only half a year. Okay, let's show you some.
Let's go and watch
items.
the new items that you have now.
The new items you see most of these are product in the quiet, not move. But this style is our new product can move. It's named Bread Factory. Not only the music can move, and also they can smell bread smell.
I can smell it from here.
Really?
So, yes.
That is our new style. And also this product, we take this new product to the Spanish and the UK, show so many people, so many customers. Wow, I like it.
Okay, thank you for being here with us. Is it possible to have the contact? So if clients would like to contact you, do you have a business card that we can show the email?
Of course.
So those are the contacts if you would like to contact them. So this is the email address and this is the website. In the website there is a catalog, right?
Yes.
So and there is also the phone number. Thank you so much, Chen, for being with us. And thank you. Bye.
Bye.